What is display advertising and types of display ads? Display advertising is an online advertisement type that combines text, images, and a URL that links to a website where a customer can learn more about products or services. Before we dig deeper into display advertising, subscribe to our channel, and if you are on YouTube, click the alert notification so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Display ads appeal to the audience through visual content. Thanks to the evolution of advertising technology, today you can find display ads with interactive elements, like video, audio, and clickable elements. There are many types of display ads. Let's quickly go through the most popular ones. First, banner ads. This is a type of rectangular ad displayed in high-traffic areas on websites. They have a high advertising demand because this form of advertising is effective for both performance-based and brand awareness campaigns. Moreover, banners are light, work well with any website or app, and are easy to implement for both publishers and advertisers. For example, above the fold, which is the area of the page that the user sees when he opens a web page. It's considered the best place for banner ads. In addition, the sides of the page are also very effective for banner ads. When it comes to the benefits of banner ads, they are as follows. Viewable when placed in high-traffic areas of the websites. Also, can be designed in various formats. They're customizable to each site. Compared to other forms of advertising, such as TV or print media, banner ads are generally more affordable. However, they also have some disadvantages, which are they can be easily overlooked due to banner blindness. Despite their visibility, banner ads often have a lower conversion rate compared to other forms of advertising. They're also subject to ad blockers that remove or block them from being displayed. Second, native ads. Unlike display ads, native ads intentionally don't look like ads. These ads blend into the website's content. They match the site's design, look, and feel. Therefore, they provide a better user experience compared to other ad formats, because users don't get interrupted by intrusive ads while consuming the content. As a result, they have a higher ad viewability. Native ad examples are most common across in-feed units, recommendation widgets, and promoted listings. Here are some pros of native ads. They blend in with the surrounding website's content. They're best for driving traffic to the advertisers' websites and have a higher viewability and CTR. The cons of native ads are as follows. Tracking the performance of native ads is challenging. It also tends to be more costly to create than other forms of advertising. Also, they can seem deceptive unless labeled as sponsored, promoted, or simply ad. Third, video ads. These ads are displayed on platforms like social media, YouTube, and websites. Most are sold programmatically, while some are sold directly. Generally speaking, all video ads can be divided into outstream and in-stream ads. In-stream ads usually appear inside pre-existing video content and require a video player, while outstream ads are placed in non-video environments, such as social media or text-based content. Let's outline some benefits of video ads. The most important and obvious one, videos are very engaging thanks to the motion, sound, and visual storytelling. Video ads have better conversion rates compared to most other ad formats. They are better for conveying an advertising message because videos are more memorable than text. However, some notable disadvantages of video ads are they are more expensive and time-consuming to create. They are also a lot heavier than other ad formats and, as a result, can slow down the publisher's page. Also, they require a video player or video provider, which can be an additional overhead. Fourth, rich media ads. Rich media ads are interactive digital advertisements that go beyond traditional static images or text. They incorporate various elements such as audio, video, animations, and other interactive features. These ads include elements like expandable banners, sliders, video overlays, games and quizzes, providing a more dynamic and immersive user experience. Rich media ads aim to capture attention, encourage interaction, and deliver a more compelling message compared to static ads. When it comes to the benefits of rich media ads, they often offer higher click-through rates and increased brand awareness due to their interactive nature. They can deliver a more compelling message compared to static ads, and increase in ad revenue due to high CTRs and CPMs. However, there are also some drawbacks. If the publisher displays intrusive ad formats like pop-up ads, some users might find it annoying and exit the page. Since these ads are heavier than standard banners, they take more time to load. Fifth, interstitial ads. Although interstitial ads partly fall under rich media, we consider it a separate ad format due to the benefits it has. Interstitial ads are noticeable ad formats that cover the interface of the website. These ads either fill the screen on a mobile device or float over a web page on a desktop. Interstitial ads appear when a user makes an action, for example, clicks on another article. They also have a built-in frequency capping of 1 interstitial ad per user in an hour, which makes them less intrusive than other ad formats, like pop-up ads. Another example of when an interstitial ad can appear is between game levels in the mobile app. Users can easily close the ad and continue exploring your webpage or app. Interstitial ads have various advantages for both publishers and advertisers. First, they can contribute to higher CTRs because they provide a unique attention-grabbing format that captures users' attention. They have a high click-through rate, which generates more conversions and greatly benefits advertisers. They also have higher CPMs compared to standard banner ads. However, when using interstitial ads, beware of these cons. If you change the frequency cap of 1 interstitial ad per user in an hour, not only will this negatively affect the user experience, but might also result in a penalty from Google. If interstitial ads don't consider the natural flow of user engagement, they can obstruct the usage of the site or app. Interstitial ads cover the entirety of the screen, which can be seen as intrusive for some users, even if implemented according to the best practices. And that's a wrap. We would love to hear what's your experience with display advertising. Let us know in the comments. Bye, and see you next time.